Building your online empire brick by brick with Odoo. Want a professional website without the headache? Odoo.com makes it easy. Imagine building your online presence in minutes. With Odoo you can. It's like having a team of website wizards at your fingertips. No coding, no stress, just a beautiful website waiting to be launched. Whether you're a small business or a budding entrepreneur, Odoo has your back. Let's explore how Odoo can help you achieve your online dreams. Odoo is a powerful business software. One of its coolest features? It helps you create websites. And the best part? It's super affordable. Think of Odoo as your website's new best friend. It provides all the tools you need to build a stunning online presence. In today's digital age, having a website is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. A website is essential for any business, big or small, to thrive and grow. Here's why. First, it makes you look professional and trustworthy. A well-designed website can be the first impression potential customers have of your business. When people see you have a website, they know you're serious about your business. It shows that you are credible and reliable. Second, it helps customers find you online. With the majority of consumers using search engines to find products and services, having a website increases your visibility. People are searching for businesses like yours right now. Without a website, you could be missing out on countless opportunities. Your website helps them discover your products or services. It acts as a 24/7 storefront that is always open. Third, a website lets you sell things online. E-commerce capabilities allow you to reach customers beyond your local area. This opens up a whole new world of customers and opportunities for your business. You can expand your market and increase your sales. Finally, you can share your story with the world through your website. It's a platform where you can express your brand's personality and values. Tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should choose you. Your website is your digital business card, and it can make a lasting impression. Section 4. Creating your website, a step-by-step journey. Ready to create your website? Odoo makes it easy and fun. Let's break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow. Step 1. Sign up for Odoo. This is your first step towards building an amazing online presence. Head over to odoo.com and create an account. It's a straightforward process. It's free to get started. No hidden fees or complicated steps. Step 2. Choose a template. This is where you start to see your vision come to life. Odoo offers a variety of professional website templates. Each one is designed to be visually appealing and functional. Pick one that suits your style and industry. Whether you're in retail, tech, or any other field, there's a template for you. Don't worry, you can always customize it later. Flexibility is key. Step 3. Customize your website. This is where you add your personal touch. Now comes the fun part. Make your website truly yours. Use Odoo's drag-and-drop editor to add your logo, images, and text. It's intuitive and user-friendly. Change colors and fonts to match your brand. Make it your own. Step 4. Add content. Content is king. Write engaging and informative content for your website pages. This is what will keep your visitors coming back. Tell your story, showcase your products, and provide valuable information to your visitors. Make it compelling. Step 5. Publish your website. This is the moment you've been working towards. Once you're happy with your website, hit the publish button. It's as simple as that. Congratulations, your website is live for the world to see. Share it with your audience and start making an impact. Section 5. Extra tips for website success. In this section, we'll cover some additional tips to help you make your website more successful and effective. Boost your visibility with SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for driving organic traffic to your site. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your website rank higher in search results. This means more people can find your site when they search for relevant terms. Use relevant keywords in your content, and optimize your website's structure for better visibility. This includes meta tags, headers, and image alt text. Sell online with e-commerce integration. Adding e-commerce functionality can significantly boost your sales. Want to sell products online? Make sure your website is equipped with a reliable e-commerce platform. Odoo seamlessly integrates with e-commerce platforms. This makes managing your online store easier and more efficient. Set up your online store and start accepting payments directly through your website. This provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Keep your website fresh with regular updates. Regular updates keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Don't let your website gather dust. An outdated website can turn visitors away. Keep it updated with fresh content, new products, and engaging blog posts. This not only improves your SEO, but also keeps your audience interested. Section 6. Conclusion: launching your digital dream. Creating a website is easier than you think, thanks to Odoo. By following these simple steps, you can have a professional online presence in no time. Remember, your website is your digital storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential customers. So, make it count. Start building your online empire today with Odoo.